is the perfection of our life. It means that yes, we can come to Kumbh Mela for dip. It is very nice to come to Kumbh Mela for taking bath. It is very nice for purification, but we want pure bhakti. We want pure bhakti. We want pure service. Bhakti yogena sevate.
तो प्रयागराज में जो कुंभ होने जा रहा है वो दुनिया का सबसे अद्भुत मेला है। तो वहाँ पे एज एन इंडियन हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि स्वच्छता, सबके साथ सौहार्द बना रहे और हम लोग शांति से उस बहुत बड़े महाकुंभ का हिस्सा बने। तो हमारी इंडिविजुअल जिम्मेदारी वहाँ पे पुण्य कमाने की तो है ही है, साथ में वो जिम्मेदारी की स्वच्छता रहे, सबके साथ काम करें और भगवान ज़्यादा पुण्य देगा अगर हम हमारी जिम्मेदारियों को निभाएंगे। और उसमें आप लोग जो काम कर रहे हो उसमें मेरी शुभकामनाएं ज़्यादा है आपको मिलती है। बहुत अच्छा काम आप लोग कर रहे हो। 100 में से पूरे 120 नंबर में आपको देता हूँ।
थैंक यू।
144 years के बाद यही अवसर हम सबको मिल रहा है। 144 years के बाद सारे planets, सारे cosmic energy इतने ऐसे alignment में आए कि हम भले ही कलयुग में जन्म लिया।
Generated. As you know, that 1.2 billion tons of food waste is generated every year globally.
Yeah.
And it is rated as the #1 factor if adjusted, changed and improved can arrest climate change.
Absolutely.
The food waste in US, UK and Europe together can actually feed 1 billion people. So we are sensitive to the fact that when we are distributing food, we are also responsible to ensure that the food waste is minimum.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Saptarshi, for having me on board.
Yes.
And as you can see that ISKCON in collaboration with Adani Foundation is distributing almost 50 lakh meals over the period of 45 to 50 days.
Yes.
So we need a lot of water.
Absolutely.
We generate a lot of waste.
The journey of faith begins here at the New Delhi railway station, where thousands of devotees embark on a sacred pilgrimage to the Mahakumbh Mela, the world's largest spiritual gathering, or as such, human gathering, I would say. Every 12 years, millions converge at the banks of the holy Ganga, but this Kumbh is even more special. It happens once in 144 years, a moment of devotion, a lifetime of blessings. Listen to the voices of faith. The air vibrates with chants, bhajans, and the unwavering devotion of those traveling to seek salvation. This is more than just a journey. It is a calling, a pilgrimage for the soul. Among the many stories of faith on this train, I met a former BSF personnel from Rewari, Haryana, traveling with his 90-plus-year-old mother. Her only wish to take a holy dip in the sacred Ganga at the Mahakumbh Mela. Despite her age, she is ready to walk the miles upon miles to reach the riverbank.
गाड़ी घोड़ा 12 घंटा चलते हुए रेस्ट नहीं किया। रात के 12 बजे से चल ही रहे महाराज। बस रेस्ट किए, बस चाय पीने के लिए, पानी पीने के लिए, उसका रेस्ट नहीं किया।
डुबकी क्या लगानी हो, गंद है वो तो।
बिल्कुल।
उसमें क्या डुबकी है?
आपने डुबकी नहीं ली अभी?
नहीं भी नहीं गए हमने। ये ठुठी लग रही है यहाँ पे। क्या है जो पब्लिक इतनी भाग रही है, 10 करोड़ 15 करोड़ 20 करोड़।
Such is the power of belief and the strength of devotion. As we witness this incredible motivation and bhakti, we also focus on an aspect often overlooked: wash, water, sanitation and hygiene.
These are trash skimmers. They're picking up all the trash from the Ganga river.
Clean water, proper sanitation and hygiene are crucial for an event of this magnitude. Through this documentary, we explore how the Kumbh Mela is ensuring sustainable and hygienic experience for millions while preserving the sanctity of Mother Ganga.
For every 10 washrooms, they have one cleaner and one tap for every 10 washrooms.
हमें आवे 1.5 महीना हो चुका है,
हाँ,
अभी हमारे को पेमेंट नहीं हुआ,
पेमेंट नहीं हुआ ना?
नोट्स आ रखे हैं, ये के पैसे पड़ जाते हैं।
बच्चे क्या करेंगे हमारे?
ये पैसा
बात
जेब में
है।
नहीं है, खाने पीने वाले जेब में पैसे नहीं है, 1.5 महीना हो चुका है, हमारे जेब में कुछ पैसा नहीं है।
At the Mahakumbh 2025, freely available RO water ATMs managed by
Free of
Jal
cost,
Nigam
or you had to
provide
put 1 rupee?
continuous purified water
cost.
with 50 to 60 liter
शुद्ध
capacity
RO
per
का पानी।
unit. Despite their widespread placement,
why
a lack
digital
of
skill
signage
India,
leaves many unaware,
Bharat।
forcing them to drink from taps or buying plastic bottles.
पानी की व्यवस्था है
लेकिन पानी की
और
व्यवस्था तो ठीक है ये।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
जैसे टूटी लगी हुई है ना,
जी 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 हाँ वो दिख
ये
रहा
पानी
है
की व्यवस्था ठीक है,
जी जी जी
ये 24 घंटे पानी है, बिजली की व्यवस्था नहीं है।
बिजली की व्यवस्था तो नहीं होगी हाँ जनरेटर दिया होगा या ऐसा
नहीं।
कुछ वो भी नहीं दिया है
बिजली की व्यवस्था क्या है, जो बड़े पंडाल है ना
हाँ,
उनको
हाँ।
24 घंटे दे रखी है,
अच्छा अच्छा
जो
अच्छा
छोटे हैं ना उनको नहीं दे रखी।
एक ट्यूबवेल हमारा 2500 एलपीएम का है। 2500 एलपीएम बोले तो 2500 लीटर पर मिनट। तो ये ट्यूबवेल ना हम लोग ड्रिंकिंग इरिगेशन पर्पज के लिए पानी नहीं देते इसका।
इरिगेशन पर्पस से नहीं कर सकते
हाँ ये ड्रिंकिंग वाटर है, पूरा ड्रिंकिंग वाटर है।
तो जब ये मेला उखड़ जाएगा
आप चेक करेंगे ना TDS आपको 100-120 से ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा,
जी जी जी
एकदम पूरा ड्रिंकिंग वाटर है। डायरेक्ट टैप से पी सकते हैं, बहुत लोग पी रहे हैं। तो
हाँ हाँ काफ़ी लोग पी रहे हैं बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
पहले सब लोग घर पे गांव में हैंडपम्प से पीते थे, RO तो अब आया है।
जी जी जी
10 साल से लगा।
हाँ हैंडपम्प से ही पीते थे सही। मैं आपको एक चीज़ पानी का स्टोरेज तो बहुत छोटा छोटा यहाँ पे है, वो ना के बराबर कह सकते हैं, लेकिन जो सप्लाई है बड़ी वाली उसमें सीधा पॉइंट दिए हुए हैं। सामने एक
तो आप यही टैप वाटर यूज करेंगे,
सामने एक पॉइंट है, तुरंत मैं उसमें अपना पॉइंट
पाइप लगा के पाइप से ऐसे
तुरंत भर लेंगे। गाड़ी अगर भरनी है या सीधा यूज़ कर सकते हैं वहाँ तक, तो जैसे सुविधा।
People don't know where their akhadas are. Everybody is just loitering around. There is no map which shows where the akhadas are. And also the people nearby. Not every akhada is, really well known, like say ISKCON or somebody else. Even the very well known ones, you can get lost. So I think a digital Kumbh is definitely required. We were lost. No clear signages, no idea which sector we're in. Like many others, we're relying on Google Maps, asking for directions at nearby akhadas and shivers. Surprisingly, wash wasn't the main concern at all. Most people didn't even mention it unless asked in a specific manner. Instead, transportation, crowd management, and electricity supply were the real struggles. The digitalization of the Mahakumbh Mela had a great potential in it, but it wasn't fully utilized. Navigation and crowd control could have been far more efficient, yet here we are, finding our way through this unending spiritual maze with whatever resources we have.
मोबाइल जैसे हो ना, ऐप्स बना दिया जाए, जैसे ऐप्स बनाया
जैसे
व्हाट्सएप पे दिया हुआ।
2013 में फोन इतना टेक्नोलॉजी इतना एडवांस नहीं था,
जी।
पर आज इसका इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है ना।
ऐसे किया जाए ना, अगले कुंभ में यही होगा, जैसे ऐप्स बना दिया जाए कोई ऐप्स को
ऐप
कोडिंग
बना हुआ है, वेबसाइट बनी हुई है,
वेबसाइट का कोई फायदा नहीं है,
कोई फायदा नहीं
उसमें
है।
आपको बताएगा सीवी रहने का इतना अटेंड है, ये नहीं कि कहाँ जाना है।
अकोमोडेशन आपको मिला उससे, आपने कोशिश की थी?
कोशिश का हमको कोई मजा नहीं है, वो ऐसे बकवास है। आपको बता दें यहाँ जाना है, सुविधा ये मिल जाएगी, ये नहीं कहाँ पे मिलेगा
जी
वो उसका कसम से कोई प्रॉपर बताए, ऊपर ना जैसे हमेशा बताता है, अपडेट आता रहे क्या हुआ नहीं हुआ, हाँ, सारा अपडेट बताना चाहिए ऐप्स पे, फिर फायदा है।
जाना नहीं है।
ये नहीं ऐप्स बना दे, सब कुछ बना दे, बाद में तुम्हें अपडेट ही ना मिले।
बिल्कुल।
मेन अपडेट ना तुरंत मिलता रहे, 10 मिनट बाद अपडेट मिलता रहे बंदे को
अरे
पता
ऐप्स
चलता
में आप खुद ही देख लो ना, गूगल मैप है, इतना सब कुछ है, लेकिन मैप को यही नहीं पता होता कि कौन सा रास्ता ब्लॉक है क्या है। वो ग्राउंड का इन्फॉर्मेशन जब तक आप वो
वही बना अपडेट
रेगुलेट
मिलता
नहीं
रहे ना,
करोगे।
ऐप्स में अपडेट मिलता है, जैसे बनाया है वेबसाइट
जी, 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 हाँ।
वेबसाइट पे अपडेट मिलता है कि ये रास्ता बंद है, वो फिर सबसे बेस्ट रहेगा। कहाँ जाना नहीं जाना अपडेट मिलता रहेगा 10 मिनट बाद, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा होगा। बस में ना एक मैप बनाया जाए, सेक्टर बनाया, जैसे प्रयागराज में सेक्टर बनाया ना कुंभ का, सेक्टर में सेक्टर में रख देने, इस सेक्टर में उधर के लिए बस मिलेगा, इस सेक्टर में उधर के लिए बस मिलेगा, होना चाहिए, ये ना कि लिखा हो वहाँ हो ना।
Ideas like these make so much sense. If real-time traffic updates, blocked roads, and bus arrivals could be displayed on digital boards, apps, and announcements, just like in airports, navigation at the Kumbh Mela would become seamless. But why stop at transport only? The same digital infrastructure, signages, apps, the public speaker announcements can also be used for wash awareness spreading. Imagine regular updates reminding pilgrims about sanitation, clean drinking water spots, and waste disposal areas. Combine this with spiritual organizations mobilizing their volunteers, creating a massive network of people ensuring hygiene standards are followed. With technology, teamwork, and awareness, Kumbh can not just be a spiritual confluence, but also a model of cleanliness and efficiency. For the first time, the Kinnar Akhada stands as a proud part of the Mahakumbh Mela, symbolizing inclusion and equality. This aligns with the UN Sustainable Development Goal number 5, gender equality, ensuring that all communities, regardless of their gender identity, have a space in cultural and spiritual traditions. A truly inclusive and sustainable Mahakumbh Mela.
So there is always something, something happens, like, okay, yesterday they were, okay, I don't know about it, I was not here, we are not here.
Yeah, are you talking about the stampede?
Yes. We came later on. But I think, yesterday I had a very, how to say, very special experience because I found myself inside the lost and found camp.
Okay.
And those officers, they do around the clock. No, I haven't seen them, eating, drinking. They constantly attend people.
Yes.
I mean, I'm going there as well. I said, I'm going to bring you prasad. They try to help everybody, and so many people, were looking for their relatives and everything.
Yes.
As far as the water quality, we just came, yesterday. So, I went for snan yesterday myself. My wife, she didn't because she's a bit, worried, whatever, you see, it's a bit crowded. But yeah, for some reason, I need to be obviously I need to be careful. It's not my first time in India.
Yeah.
I'm more sensitive, in terms of digestion. So whatever thing, it may be water, dust, whatever there may be, stress, all combined. So I may get, some, issues. But I think, the management over there, they try, their best. I think, if I were them, I think I wouldn't be able to, to make it, happen in such a small, nice way.
The administration has been extremely helpful, and the overall efficiency of how things have been administered has been very high.
I see.
I've been coming for Kumbh from 2001.
Yes.
So compared to 2001, 2025 is like another world. So therefore, I would say that the overall efficiency and the effectiveness of especially water, sanitation, hygiene, everything has grown at least 20x. So I am personally very delighted. I was in the 2001 Mahakumbh, I was in the 2013 Mahakumbh, I'm also in the 2025 Mahakumbh.
Yes.
So if I just consider the three major Prayagraj Mahakumbhs,
Yes.
2001, 2013 and 2025, plus I was in the 2019 one also.
Yes.
So these are the four reference points I have with respect to Prayagraj Kumbh.
Yes.
I must say that, the effectiveness, efficiency, the responsiveness, the support, the proactiveness of the administration, and especially the Safai Karamchari who are actually on the ground and picking things up. Very, very efficient, and even our guests who are visiting for the first time, they are very impressed by the overall cleanliness, the hygiene, and the impact which this entire, effectiveness of the administration is creating. The Gita says, Yagya Dana Tapak Karma, Natyajyam Taryam Evatat, Yagya Dana Tapak Karma, Pavanani Manishana. Three things Sanatan Dharma followers should never give up. Yagya, which is sacrifice.
Yes.
Dana, charity, and Tapa is austerity.
Yes.
So therefore, when one comes to the Kumbh Mela, one is performing all these three. He is performing the yagya, the sacrifice of offering his consciousness, offering his time from all other regular activities of family and business, and devoting specifically for Kumbh. That is a yagya.
Absolutely.
Dana, he is coming and offering, donation. They are offering time. They are offering seva, which is dana, shramadana.
Shramadana, yes.
All kinds of dana is happening here.
Yes.
Even from the Adani group, so many of their where CXO level people and other employees are coming and offering many hours of seva in various camps. People who are working in consulting firms, in multinational firms, in IT firms, even Gen Z, the youth, they are coming forward and doing a lot of seva during this Kumbh. So that is part of Dana, which is charity. And almost 40 crore people would have visited during this 1 month, 1.5 months period. And there is no established pattern or plan as to where the feeding is going to happen. But practically everybody gets fed, nobody goes hungry.
Sure.
And therefore it is all part of the Dan only.
Absolutely.
Which is Dravya Dan, which is giving off food, Annadan.
Yes.
So this is all Dana. So Yajna, Dana and Tapa. Tapa means austerity.
Exactly.
Austerity is, it's cold here, it's dusty here, it's crowded here, the water is very cold, and on the day of the Amrit Snan, the crowd is more than one can handle. So if going to office during office hours in Bangalore or Mumbai or Delhi or Los Angeles or New York, one is willing to perform the tapa, austerity of getting stuck in a traffic jam, bumper to bumper traffic, then here will be human to human traffic. So that's what is the kind of crowds which is expected on these days.
Maybe one more question. Actually, I have many more questions, but moving forward, what is your take on the interaction between your organization and the government officials who are facilitating every inch of infrastructure, like from the scratch? जैसे आपको एक लैंड मिला, उस पे आपकी परमार्थ की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को कैसे उन्होंने हेल्प किया? Are they everything was timely available, or you were struggling to have some kind of?
Yeah, it was. I know that there are actually logistical, limitations. Like you cannot actually allocate land until the river has receded. So there are some holdbacks that October के बाद ही आपको शुरू करना होता है, बहुत कम समय में शुरू करना होता है. और इतने लोगों को मैनेज करना, इतनी अखाड़ों को मैनेज करना, इतनी संस्थाओं को मैनेज करना, सबको भूमि मिला, सबको उनकी प्राइम स्पॉट देना, उनका मैनेज करना, it's amazing. It's really amazing. So I think our personal experience is, it's been amazing to be seeing how this government and this administration is very proactive, takes this very seriously, and that they are doing the best they can. And I think for us personally, because we have done camps for the last many years, and also recently because our उद्देश्य for the Kumbh Mela has been that मेला के माध्यम से हम क्या समाज, पूज्य स्वामी चिदानंद सरस्वती जी महाराज, who is the founder of Jiva and the president of Paramath Niketan, his vision has always been that Kumbh is a platform, it's a medium through which we can give a message to the society. The Kumbh Mela serves as a space in which, as we've mentioned, विचारों का मंथन होता है. जो अमृत निकलता है इस कुंभ मेले में से, वो सिर्फ जल के माध्यम से नहीं, वो विचारों के माध्यम से भी निकलता है. और यहाँ से जो वितरण होता है वो पूरे विश्व में, पूरे देश में एक जो रिकनेक्शन क्रिएट करता है अपनी संस्कृति से, अपने कल्चर से, अपने हेरिटेज से, अपने ट्रेडिशन से. और जब नेचर और कल्चर को सुरक्षित हम रखते हैं तो हमारा फ्यूचर भी सुरक्षित रहता है. और ये पूज्य स्वामी जी जो कि संस्था के प्रेसिडेंट है, अध्यक्ष है, वो कहते भी हैं कि द नेचर ऑफ आवर फ्यूचर इज़ डायरेक्टली अ टेस्टमेंट ऑफ द फ्यूचर ऑफ आवर नेचर. अगर हम प्रकृति को नहीं बचाएंगे तो कौन सा कुंभ? So that is where the most important thing that from Parmar is how do we take our individual sward and lead it towards Parmar. That collective, we are all one family. And when we come to the Kumbh, that's the Sangam we are speaking about, that confluence of people from all walks of life, all different spectrums of life, coming together as one family in the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. And that collective mother is Ganga. That
Yes.
collective mother is Yamuna. The collective mother is Saraswati. And the Sangam is the birth, is the womb from which we all are getting that Amrit. And so when we come out of here, what do we take back is really important. And how do we lead our lives is really important. And what do we do to sustain, to protect, to preserve, and to celebrate our culture and our nature. That is the message I think that Kumbh gives, and that is what we are all working for people to realize that that is the purpose of Kumbh, the real purpose of Kumbh.
यही कर सकती है कि जो बात कर रही है उसको करे, शब्दों से ज़्यादा कर्मों में बस काम हो जाएगा। अब आप आए, इतना आपने टाइम दिया,
जी जी जी,
मैंने आपको फीडबैक दिया, आपने बेटा नोट किया। अब जो बात आपको अच्छी लगे, अगर इस पर काम नहीं होगा तो मैं कहूँगा अगली बार कोई आएगा, मैं अरे भाई साहब आप लोग तो आते रहते हैं।